Welcome to Exam Heist, your trusted partner in certification success. We provide comprehensive study materials, available both online and offline. We're here to guide you every step of the way. From in-depth PDF guides to structured practice sets, we covered all essential questions to help you in certificating. You'll always have the right resources at your fingertips. Download the PDFs, take practice tests, and connect with our expert support team. Interactive online practice support, so you can test yourself anytime, anywhere. Exam-ready PDFs, carefully curated with essential questions. Top performers consistently rely on Exam Heist. With thousands of learners already certified, we've built a reputation for quality and trust. Expert assistance, where certified professionals are available to answer your queries. And most importantly, content that stays up to date with the latest exam patterns. Start today, and move one step closer to your certification success. So don't wait. Give your preparation the winning edge with Exam Heist. Visit examheist.com now. Exam Heist, your journey to success starts here.
Question 1. Scenario 1. Into incidents that could result in substantial material or non-material damage. When it comes to identifying and mitigating risks, the company has employed a standardized methodology. It conducts thorough risk identification processes across all operational levels, deploys mechanisms for early risk detection, and adopts a uniform framework to ensure a consistent and effective incident response. In alignment with its incident reporting plan, SecureTech reports on the initial stages of potential incidents, as well as after the successful mitigation or resolution of the incidents. Moreover, SecureTech has recognized the dynamic nature of cybersecurity, understanding the rapid technological evolution, in response to the ever-evolving threats and to safeguard its operations. SecureTech took a proactive approach by implementing a comprehensive set of guidelines that encompass best practices, effectively safeguarding its systems, networks, and data against threats. The company invested heavily in cutting-edge threat detection and mitigation tools, which are continuously updated to tackle emerging vulnerabilities. Regular security audits and penetration tests are conducted by third-party experts to ensure robustness against potential breaches. The company also prioritizes the security of customers' sensitive information by employing encryption protocols, conducting regular security assessments, and integrating multi-factor authentication across its platforms. Based on the scenario above, answer the following question. In which category SecureTech fit according to the NIS2 directive? Option A. Essential entities. Option B. Important entities. Option C. Critical entities. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A. Essential entities. Question 2. SecureTech reports on the initial stages of potential incidents and after the successful mitigation or resolution of A. incidents. Is this in compliance with the NIS2 directive requirements? Refer to Scenario 1. Option A. Yes. The directive introduces a two-stage approach to incident reporting, requiring initial and final reports. Option B. No. The directive requires that incidents are reported only in their initial stages. Option C. No. The directive requires that incidents are reported only after they have been resolved. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A. Yes. The directive introduces a two-stage approach to incident reporting, requiring initial and final reports. Visit examheist.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Exam Heist. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs and revise with confidence.